DJ. Black ain't white, white ain't black. I said black ain't white and white ain't black. It's sad cause most niggas then lost our respect. Niggas out here tripping, bitches out here tricking, and money getters stay dipping, and boss niggas stay whipping. So what role you playing? I'm like Jada when I set it off. I was raised to be nothing but a fucking boss. Feeling like George the way I got the fucking sauce. I get them gone quick, but only for the right cost. I'm the ghost through my town, gon' they call me Casper. I make these niggas bow down, I'm they fucking masters. I can teach them something, this they fucking lesson, or I can preach something. No fucking reverence. I wake up every day and I count my blessings. Mama told me, girl, you too young for stressing. Think about it on the brighter end. I looked up quick and then started making ends. Started hitting the road, no time for making friends. I kept my family on my side, cause that's the way it's fucking been. Dog pound family, been that way since the 80s. And we was all seeing dope, we was fucking babies. Jumped off the porch early, so I play it crazy. Sometimes I wonder how I got this G in me. But my daddy was a thug, so ain't no hoe in me. And even though the world changing, ain't no fucking changing me.
Where I'm living ain't right, black ain't white, white ain't black. It's right back to the same fight. Black ain't white, white ain't black. The world has changed for real, how you adapt to that, Where I'm living ain't right, black ain't white, white ain't black. It's right back to the same fight. Black ain't white, white ain't black. The world has changed for real, how you adapt to that,
You ever watch one of your homies die inside your hands? Shit, me neither. I pray to God I don't see it, cause when Truth died, I was somewhere across the bridge doing a bid, cause another nigga could've picked the fifth, Came home and it's back to the basic. Graduated from weed to shaving crack, I hit the sack in the basement. Granny cooking while I'm cooking the shake up until it locks. Same pot, man, this shit is amazing. Hustling made us, hustling major. Hustling like it's 88, all we need is some pages. But now Obama leaving office, them prices going up. Ain't talking about no gas, but I ain't saying much. I'ma get it how I live at the end of the day. And anyway, stuffing cookie in my lung just to fog the pain. I lost a couple real niggas, but we move forward. And I ain't stopping till we all got our own form.
Where I'm living ain't right, black ain't white, white ain't black. It's right back to the same fight. Black ain't white, white ain't black. The world has changed for real, how you adapt to that, Where I'm living ain't right, black ain't white, white ain't black. It's right back to the same fight. Black ain't white, white ain't black. The world has changed for real, how you adapt to that, You left me stranded, I don't know why. Told me to live my life and now I'm ready to die. Ready to fly, I cry, but I shed no tears. You told me you were dead, them fears. It been years, snakes still coming at me, they just missing. Sometimes I think all you do with me is just listen. I thought I was special, that's what you told me. Oh boy, stop acting like you don't know me. When I do so bad, it made you sin away from me. When I just sin away, it made you stay away from me. My child, I'm here as I always been. It was you in the way, now I'm back again. What did I say? Follow your word and be true. What did you do? Well, what I wanted to do. What have you seen? Darkness and hell of a glance. Whatever you want, all I want is another chance. Black ain't white, white ain't black. The world has changed for real, how you adapt to that, Black ain't white, white ain't black. The world has changed for real, how you adapt to that, How you adapt to that, How you adapt to that,